The sun was just beginning to rise over the great Smoky Mountains, casting a golden hue on the rugged peaks and valleys. Nestled within this picturesque landscape was one of the most iconic roads in the United States, the Tail of the Dragon. With its 318 curves in just 11 miles, it was a spider's web of asphalt that twisted and turned through the landscape, drawing enthusiasts from across the nation. Today, as the early morning fog began to lift, the road was preparing for another annual gathering. The Miatas weaved their way around sharp bends and straightaways, the engine notes harmonizing in a symphony of speed. The camaraderie was palpable as they moved together through the mountains, cheerfully waving at fellow drivers of all generation, NA, NB, NC, and ND. Once they reached the designated lookout point, the group parked their cars and gathered to enjoy the breathtaking vistas over the mountains and valleys below. Phones came out for photo ops, capturing the gleaming Miatas against the stunning backdrop. Laughter filled the air as they recounted favorite moments from past meets and shared stories of their own Miata adventures. Miatas at the Gap.
ハイパースピードメディア